Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn 100 essential Korean phrases for beginners. These phrases will help you with greetings, polite expressions, travel, restaurants, shopping, and everyday conversations. For each phrase you will hear, first, the English phrase, second, the Korean translation, then a short pause so you can repeat it. Let's begin learning Korean. Part 1. Greetings. Hello, 안녕하세요. Hi, 안녕.
Good morning, 좋은 아침이에요.
Good evening, 안녕하세요. Good night, 잘 자요. How are you? 잘 지내세요? I'm good. 잘 지내요. Very good. 매태요. Not bad. 괜찮아요. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you too. 저도 반갑습니다. Welcome. 환영합니다. Long time no see. 오랜만이요. Part 2. Polite expressions. Please. 주세요. Thank you. 감사합니다. Thank you very much. 대단히 감사합니다. You're welcome. 천만에요. Excuse me. 실례합니다. Sorry. 미안합니다. No problem. 괜찮아요. Of course. 물론이에요. Yes. 네. No. 아니요. Maybe. 아마. All right. 알겠습니다. I understand. 이해했어요. I don't understand. 이해 못했어요. Please speak slowly. 천천히 말해주세요. Can you repeat that? 한 번 더 말해주세요. Part 3. Basic conversation. What is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? My name is. 제 이름은. Where are you from? 어디에서 왔어요? I am from. 에서 왔어요? How old are you? 몇 살이에요? I am years old. 살이에요. What do you do? 무엇을 하세요? I work as. 저는입니다. Do you speak English? 영어 할 줄 아세요? A little. 조금이요. Please speak slowly. 천천히 말해 주세요. Can you help me? 저를 도와주세요. Part 4. Asking for directions. Where is the bathroom? 화장실 어디예요? Where is the train station? 역 어디예요? Where is the airport? 공항 어디예요? Where is the hotel? 호텔 어디예요? How do I get there? 어떻게 가요? Left. 언적. Right. 오른쪽. Straight ahead. 직진. Near. 가까워요. Far. 멀어요. Here. 여기. There. 거기. Over there. 저기. Part 5. Shopping phrases. How much is this? 이제 얼마예요? That is expensive. 비싸요. That is cheap. 싸요요. Do you accept credit cards? 신용카드 되나요? Can I pay cash? 현금 되나요? I would like this. 잊어주세요. Do you have another one? 다른 거 있어요? Can I try this? 이거 입에 볼 수 있어요? What time do you open? 몇 시에 열어요? What time do you close? 몇 시에 닫아요? Part 6. Restaurant phrases. A table for one, please. 한 명요. A table for two, please. 두 명요. May I see the menu? 메뉴 좀 보여주세요. I would like to order. 주문하겠습니다. Water, please. 물 주세요. Tea, please. 차 주세요. Coffee, please. 커피 주세요. Beer, please. 맥주 주세요. The food was delicious. 음식 많이 맛있었어요. The bill, please. 계산 주세요. Keep the change. 그렇게 하세요. Part 7. Daily expressions. What time is it? 지금 몇 시예요? today. 오늘, tomorrow. 내일, yesterday. 어제. Now, 지금. Later. 나중에, always. 항상, sometimes. 가끔, never. 거대한. Let's go. Excited? 가자. Wait a moment. Pause. 잠깐만요. Good luck. 행운을 빌게요. Sighs. Take care. 잘 지내세요. See you later. Chuckles. 다시 만나요. See you tomorrow. 내일 만나요. Goodbye. 안녕히 가세요. Sighs. Bye. 안녕. Great job. Excited. You just learned 100 essential Korean phrases for beginners. Practice these phrases every day and soon you will feel more confident speaking Korean in real conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, Excited like the video and subscribe for more Korean learning videos. And let me know in the comments. Curious, which language would you like to learn next?
See you in the next lesson. 안녕!